HavenDOS has gotten a lot of new features and malicious updates. So let's take a look at change you need to those two commands. Like these two. The installation process has gotten a lot better since the last video. I don't know why there is a black screen right now. Look, as you can see with the post, but it's not functional right now. It's not functional. But as you can see, I added ATA and SATA support, which means HavenDOS can now communicate with third devices using these interfaces. What that actually means in simple terms, you can now use it on your real PC and use it as a data driver. That's all I can say. You can see we are rebooting, but we don't want that, and gonna exit out of it and then get back boot QEMU with those parameters. But I have one little problem with this, that there are slashes in it, and that's really annoying. Open up again our terminal and then paste anyway, and it of course doesn't fucking boot. Scheiße. Very cool. And then enter, and then window capture, and then hide that. Boot up, breed error. Fuck. Scheiße. God damn it. ADI, it would be detected. A is no, yes. Removed ISO before.
A few moments later.
Oh, look at that, mate. We are at the setup and we're gonna make an account. Gonna call it tech for now. And no, always blank. I always from the blank password. Still this is not fixed. I don't know why, because I can then fix it. Look, I can now boot into the tech. And as you can see, I'm gonna change the if we type, look, net stat, the Mac is up, everything is up, and if we do ping google.com, we get packets, and if we go wget https google.com, we can error send failed. Wget google.com. Oh frick, saying Google OCM. That's not good because I fucking can't type normal. HTTP 301 fuck google.com. Yeah, I am afraid it broke down. Takes quite a long time. That's concerning me. Why the fuck are you taking that long, mate? Why are you taking that long, mate? Is there some kind of bug? No problems. I don't fucking believe it. I don't damn believe this, you know? No. Kept. I think what's wrong is that. ATA and SATA, it doesn't. Why? So I have to fix that. I was gonna try to make a video about booting it and actually using it, uh, but I'm gonna be ending up like gonna be debugging stuff, all the shit. I don't gonna like it, but I want you to join the Discord server because there is a lot of cool stuff going on there. You know that? Yeah, but you need to join it. Look, join the Tech Avenue Studio Discord server. Stream on this username in trend. Okay, thank you. But join the Discord server. We have a lot of amazing staff. Also, just join it because it's fun. In here, if you can see, we always at the latest. I was showing off a better version, but this is the latest stable version. Check out my site, techhavenstudios.lovable.app. I will be buying a custom domain soon, and if you want to see if you see Heaven OS, that will be a 60-bit version of it. I am currently this is an alpha release. It's so basic that it's half of it doesn't work. But bro, I write thousands of hours of code. It's thousands of hundreds of hours. But I had a script, and I want to take look. I had a script here. This should I follow? It would be like a 1 minute 30 video. But I didn't expect that it wouldn't then work, I wouldn't expect that. So what I'm gonna do is ask you guys in the comments to give me some suggestions and help me get it to boot from the yeah, look, let it to boot from fucking shit, man. Oh my, that's what I mean. Oh, I deleted the file. I know I did, but it just so damn shit always, it's that sucks coding. But when I have an solution, you can please say it to me. I really need a solution. I can't figure it out otherwise. If you like this video, subscribe. I see you in the next one, and I see you later.